Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. And today we have the Beats Studio Buds. So these dropped when I was gone. It was my best friend's wedding in Cancun. We did that whole shebang. Congratulations. So these were here waiting for me. So we're finally get to these and unbox these bad boys and see what these are all about. So right now the price for the Beats Studio Buds are $150. They come in 3 colors: black, red, white. The typical, Beats colors, unless they get wild here and there. So let's open these up. They come in this little box, so let's peel the back off. Put it over there to the side. Keep it nice, keep it clean. All right, so let's see what these are all about. So this is everything that comes in the box. All right, it comes with a USB Type-C, and you see it says fast charge, 1 hour of charge, huh? Oh, 5 minutes gives you 1 hour. With a fast charging cable, USB Type-C. All right, so they have all the different buds in there for find your perfect size. Try that out. Let's see what they got in here. Get at least 3 months of Apple Music free. Scan this code. Here you go. Scan the code. Who wants 3 months of Apple Music for free? Boom. I have Apple Music already, and I use Spotify. Wasting money. Oh, back here it shows you how to use everything. I think we got the gist of it though. Tap, tap, and hold and all that. So that's everything that comes with that. So let's get to the little buds right here. So I'll pull this down. Oh, I caught it. To pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open. Let's see what we got. What's the features on these before we open these up? They're true wireless earbuds, of course. Now, see, they already have the battery life on here. I like that. So with these, you're going to get 5 hours with noise canceling on of the earbuds by itself. So just the earbud, and with no noise canceling on, with it off, you get 8 hours of playtime off of a single charge. With the case, you're going to get 10 hours to 16 hours, depending on if you're using noise canceling with the buds. And the same with a total lifetime of 15 to 24 hours, depending on noise canceling on or off. So we're definitely going to do a noise canceling test and see how good they sound. But right now, let's take the first look at the Beats Buds. So here we go. There we go. Little look. It's a little turn the case around. Let me look at them while you guys look at that from the back. Oh, let's see. Oh, these look nice, man. A little shiny. I might have to throw some B-roll in here so we can really check it out. I just put lotion on. It's probably going to get all greasy looking. Let me take one of the buds out. The magnet's pretty strong. Oh, that's a strong. Man, this magnet is strong. Look at it. Just caught on there. It's a strong magnet. There we go. So this is a little close-up look at the bud. It looks really good. I like the style of it. It has like a mini stem in there. So I wonder if that's going to work with my ears. Because most of the main problem I normally have is that the earbud is too bulky. Now this one is not bulky as a lot of the other ones we've used, like the Soundpeats and the Tozos and all those. They're really bulky on the outside, so they don't sit in my ear. But yeah, they seem way smaller. They're definitely going to be, they're really small compared to a quarter size. Like I said, some of the other earbuds we had on here. And it has like a mini, a mini stem, right there. That's what I do like. I'm hoping that works with my ears because my ears need the stem to be comfortable and fit and work. So these are IPX4. That means water, sweat resistance. You're good running the rain if you want to sweat at the gym. These are going to be good. You're going to get through them. No problem. No problem. It handles that. Now let's connect these bad boys and see what they sound like. Let's do the connection. It said leave the earbuds in the case and open up the case. Let's see what it does. It's supposed to just automatically connect. Oh, there it goes. Connect that bad boy. Connecting. Connected. We're at 90 and 62 on the case, 90 on the buds. All right, let's test these out. So this is an Apple product, so that's why I connected like that. I don't know if it'll do it on Android, but we're pinning. Oh, they feel good. I like the way they feel. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with these running. That was me running. All right, let's do a little on-ear test. little turn. These feel really light. I like how light they feel. They're not bulky like I've been saying. The little stem is sitting right there. It feels like right in my ear. I'm liking the way they feel right now. They feel good, Rod. They look good, Rod. How do they sound? Let's do a quick little sound test. Let me check these out. It has some nice bass. They're not crazy, but a nice bass. All right, so what I'm noticing right away is that the bass is pretty good. The bass is pretty good. It sits really nice and gives you that nice full sound. And also the mids were mostly a lot of men's voices and some instruments sounds crisp as well. And also the highs knows its job. It's not too high, not too harsh where it hurts your ears. So those higher instruments, those hi-hats and all that, and you know, women's vocals sometimes get in the higher range. It won't hurt your ears. You're gonna be good to go. I like the sound quality of these beats. Just a quick little listen. One thing I will say is they do have a button on there. So there's a little button that you can press to play it. It's not just touch, it's just there is a button here. You just click it twice, go to the next song, 3 times to go back, twice, next, 3 to go back, and pause it, press it once. And you also answer the calls there by pressing this little button right here on the top, and you're good to go. So they're not touch. Let's try out the noise canceling in transparent mode. I am in transparent mode right now. I think you hold the button. It doesn't even say, oh, is this noise cancel? Hello? It doesn't even say nothing. You'll hear a little like dot sound like doo-doo. And then I believe this is transparent mode. This is transparent. Iconic, say something.
Hello.
They sound really good. She just comes right through. I hear a little bit of white noise, like a tad bit for the mic. But other than that, this is kind of the less white noise I've heard from some of the budget earbuds that I normally try out. These are really good when it comes to transparent mode. 2 thumbs up. Yeah, let's set up for the noise canceling test. I'm gonna have a big old speaker right here and it's gonna play music and we're gonna see how much bleeds through. All right, so now we're at the noise canceling test. Got the speaker set up. This thing is really loud. The hyper boom is no joke. So we'll see from this distance if it can keep out at least 75-80%. It's doing its job, but I'm expecting it to do even better than that. So let's see. Let's play some music.
Oo na, mahina pa ako. Okay lang, bigyan mo lang ako ng oras para mag-ensayo. Umaga at gabi ang pagsusulat. Salamat sa mga kapwa lokal na tumulak. Dating prod lang, ngayon nagra-rap na. Ito pala talaga ang feeling na sarap. Utak talang ka, huwag kang humilap pababa. Yeah, di ko kailangan ng peke mong suporta. Pag ganyan ka.
Alright, so the noise canceling was great on these. They did really, really good. I want to say it blocked out like probably 98% of the sound. Even when I could lean my head next to the speaker while I was blasting loud, that was the only way I was able to hear some of the vocals come through. These are probably the best noise canceling earbuds we've had on here. We had some budget earbuds around $60 that got pretty close to 100% as well. I think like 95 for $60, so that's not bad. But these are hands down the best noise canceling earbuds we've had on this channel. They're really good. I like them a lot. These things are the truth. I really like the design. I really like the noise canceling on these. If you want some workout earbuds that are lightweight, or you need something for travel and you're trying to block out some noise, this is what you want to go with. These will get the job done for sure. When it comes to loudness, you want to know how super loud it is. My pops tried it out. He was like, oh, is that as loud as it goes? They're fairly loud, but they're not like blasting crazy loud. It is a trend we kind of seen with noise canceling earbuds, is that when it's noise canceling, the volume is not crazy loud. For some reason, a lot of earbuds do that. We had like Tozo that doesn't do that, and Soundpeats. Those are some budget brands that they have noise canceling, but they still turn up super loud, blasting loud. But all right, buds, so there you have it. That was my little unboxing and a quick noise canceling test of the new Beats Studio earbuds. Now, if you guys want to check these out, like I said, I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can check out the different colors. There's only 3, and check out the price, and it's $150 right now. Hopefully you guys can get it on a discount soon, you know, since we're already past halfway of the year. So, you know, so those Black Friday deals will be coming pretty soon. So I think they are worth $150 from what I can tell right now. Like, I'll leave comments down below. If you guys want me to do a full review, which I might do anyways, of these, let me know. But man, the noise canceling is great on these. I like the style. I like the bud / stem style. So it pleases two different types of ears. My ears only work really good with stems, and some people's ears don't. They're more of just the buds in. It has that in one style, so I do like that. And it doesn't have the stem hanging down or hanging off like, you know, the Apple Pros or whatever, the AirPod Pros and some other earbuds. They don't have that. They're just in your ear. So, and the sound is good. You get good sound quality. You pretty much get that from Beats all the time. Yeah, all around, I give these 2 thumbs up. I like what I'm seeing from these new Beats Studio earbuds. You guys definitely should check them out. So there you have it. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. And at the end of this video, I'll also have some more of my budget earbud reviews I've done. There are some good earbuds as well if you guys want to check those out and you're looking for something more budget friendly. I'll see all of you in my next review. I have no clue what it's going to be, or even the boxing. I have no clue. We have nothing. I don't think we have anything. I will find something. If anything, if I don't find nothing, it'll be a review on these. Everyone be safe out there. Thank you for watching my video. To all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there, buds. Peace.